Pineapples. They are enjoyed and loved by many all over the world. Perhaps it's one of your favorite too. Although being one of the world's favorites, many don't know this fruit got a lot of health benefits. Here are some 5 reasons you should add pineapples to your diet. 1. Boosting your immune system. The immune system is a complex of cells, tissues, and organs, and the substances that help the body fight infections and other diseases. As you might know, the vitamin that plays a major role in boosting your immune system is vitamin C, which pineapple are an excellent source. In fact, 1 cup, which is 5.8 ounces, or 165 grams of pineapple chunks, contains over 100% of your daily vitamin C requirement. Vitamin C is also a primary soluble antioxidant that fights cell damage. So help your body fight infections, diseases, and cell damage by eating pineapple regularly. 2. Pineapple strengthen up your bones. When it comes to bones health and connecting of tissues, manganese is one of the key nutrients to look for. The good news is, 1 cup of fresh pineapple juice contains over 70% of your daily required manganese. One study suggests that manganese helps prevent osteoporosis in postmenopausal women. Do you want to have healthy bones and be strong? Add pineapple to your diet. It contains an amount of calcium too. Keeping your eyes healthy is another health benefits of eating pineapple. As noted earlier, pineapple is packed with a lot of vitamin C. Also contains antioxidants, which helps in reducing the risk of developing macular degeneration, a disease that affects vision loss. It contains beta-carotene, which is also an essential element needed for healthy eyes. 4. It helps prevent cancer. Studies have shown that pineapple and its group of digestive enzymes may reduce the risk of cancers. One of these enzymes is called bromelain. This enzyme slows down the cancer cell developing process, thus preventing some types of cancer. In fact, research has found that pineapple enzymes can shrink or kill cancer cells. 5. Pineapple improves digestion. Do you get digestion problems? You can solve it by eating pineapple or adding it to your diet regularly. Bromelain, dietary fiber, and vitamin C are all present in pineapples, which help promote better digestion. In fact, there are also great reasons why you should add pineapple to your diet. Pineapple helps in reducing blood clots and blood pressure, helps reduce stress, help treat cold and coughs, strengthens your gums. It also helps improve fertility, relieving nausea, mental health, and others. Which of these pineapple benefits do you like most? Tell us in the comments section below. Share this video with your health-conscious friends and family. See you in the next videos.